Digital Wealth Academy review. In this video, I'm gonna give you my honest review about Digital Wealth Academy. Keep in mind, I am not an affiliate for Digital Wealth Academy. I am not promoting. I'm gonna give you my honest review about it. Okay, but first of all, guys, okay, before we go to the review, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to your email inbox. Okay, now let's talk about Digital Wealth Academy. Digital Wealth Academy, this is a master result rise. Okay, I am sure this you see this on social media, on Instagram, on TikTok. The way that it's been marketed, they show you income claims that they make money with these kind of products. I think that those income claims, they are misleading, especially to the newbies, because they don't talk about the experience that you need in order to make this kind of money. The income claims that they are doing here, guys, okay, is attracting the FTC. Okay, so these kind of businesses, they can be saturated very fast, and also the FTC, they may take down these kind of businesses. And why I'm saying it is because they sell here, guys, it is final. Whenever you buy something to this master resale rights, you can't get a refund here. They sell it is final. Okay, just keep in mind, those are the things that I don't like about these kind of products. You're not gonna get a refund here with these kind of products. If you don't like it, they sell it is final. But what I like about this product is that they are giving you the best high quality videos that you can learn here with this kind of master resale rights here, guys. Okay, so keep in mind here that the training here, it is high quality produced training. Okay, and also they are teaching you the right things, but the way that is marketed, I don't like it. And also the way that there is no refund policy, I don't like it at all. Okay, just keep in mind. Okay, what we learn here, you will learn about how our digital marketing works. Okay, how to promote products on TikTok, how to promote products on Instagram. You will learn about those things, and also you'll also learn about how to do faceless marketing, meaning that if you don't want to show your face, you can promote these kind of products without even showing your face. You can learn all of those things here with these kind of products, guys. Okay, as I said earlier on to you, that the videos, they are being high quality produced. Okay, when you look at all of these income claims, income proof here, I don't like these, because you don't know the experience of these people they got. Okay, you don't know how many followers they have. Okay, just keep in mind, you don't expect to join here and make over $1,000 a week. You don't know how many followers they have, how many email lists they have, how much money they have in order to invest on paid ads. Okay, you don't know that. Okay, so I don't like the way it is being marketed, because they make it look it easier. That's what these marketers, they do. They want you to join, they want you to buy from them, because they know after you buy, there's no way that you're gonna ask any refund. There's no way that you're gonna get a refund, because there is no refund. Okay, it's kind of like a scam to me. You buy something with, if you don't like it, they're not gonna give you your money. Okay, so I don't like that, guys. Okay, I don't like that. Now let's talk about what you'll get here. You'll get about digital marketing. You learn about TikTok marketing. You learn about the Reels guide, how to make Reels. Okay, all of these social media platforms. You're gonna learn about the Reels Ultimate Guide, the Digital Wealth Guide, the Social Media Planner, all of those things. The quality, they are offering you the best high quality videos to be successful here, and also they're giving you some of the done for you clips for faceless, and also there is Spanish content here as well, guys. Okay, if you talk Spanish languages, you can talk here. You can also learn here. You're gonna learn about the mindset, the digital marketing basis. You're gonna learn about the foundations, about building a value-driven brand with a goal in your mind to help you to attract the right audience. You're gonna learn about the building a trust, how to build a trust with your followers. You also learn about master reseller rights documents, okay? Yeah, that you buy the course and then you sell exam course, okay? It's kind of like a scam to me, you know. To be affiliate for this course, you have to buy it, you know, which is not how affiliate marketing works, you know. Like, you don't have to buy anything to promote and make money online, okay? Which is the course that I'm giving you guys, okay? When you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, is gonna teach you how affiliate marketing works, how to make over $1,000 per sale without buying a course, guys, okay? Like this, I don't recommend it at all. The way these master resell rights, okay, they are teaching you to do that, you buy the course and then you sell it, so it doesn't sit well with me, guys, okay? And I think that one of the reasons why that many people they buy this course is because of that they want to get this 100% commission, okay? They want to get it, but yeah, they can do it, but it's not gonna last long, okay? Because some of these businesses, they may be taken down by FTC, okay? And also they teach you how to build as your own, how to sell this product on Stand Store, which is $47 per month, okay? So there are some costs here on this kind of businesses that you have to do with Digital Wealth Academy. So guys, the course here, guys, it is amazing, okay? You're gonna learn about funnel, of course, email marketing, all of those stuff, pre-launches. There are so many things, face marketing. If you don't want to if you don't want to show your face to market these kind of products, you will learn all of those things here, guys, okay? Because it is amazing. They are offering the best value, guys, okay? They're offering the best value, okay? So just keep in mind, they're also gonna teach you about Instagram and also CapCut, okay? How to edit your videos on CapCut. They're gonna teach you all of those things, okay? Which is like you can find for free on the internet, you know. You can find it for free on the internet about the CapCut editing. You don't have to pay this kind of money, you know, because you're not gonna get your money back here. They're gonna talk about TikTok and all of those stuff, which I don't recommend to promote this kind of product on TikTok, because TikTok, it is very strict. Your account may get banned on TikTok. If you have 3 strike on TikTok, your account will get banned. So just keep in mind, whatever you promote on TikTok, just be aware, especially on make money online courses. TikTok is very, very strict with weight loss as well. So keep in mind whatever products that you promote on TikTok, because TikTok can terminate your account, okay? Can terminate your account, okay? So let's talk about the prices here, guys, okay? So the prices here